You can survive a bad argument with your spouse, but it's the silence that destroys a marriage. In fact, the greatest threat to a marriage isn't conflict at all, it's distance. In segment one, we confronted unforgiveness, and today we're tackling the quiet killer, and that is spiritual disconnectedness and emotional drift. Let's talk about it right here, right now, on the Eric Frazier Show. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Eric Frazier Show, where we talk about faith, family, and finance. And we've been talking about family, folks. In fact, this is part 2 of a series called Irreconcilable Differences, how to stay married when life happens. And life does happen every single day. With me today is my co-host and brother in Christ, Henry Cossio, married 22 years, bringing a wealth of wisdom and real life experience in business and in marriage. And Henry, I appreciate you, man. Welcome back to the show. Give us a quick word, man, before we dive into this very important topic.
Oh, thank you, Eric. It's truly a blessing every time I'm here. You know, every time we talk about marriage, I take it seriously because it's a serious topic, right? Why? Because it was God's design. You know, marriage didn't come from culture, didn't come from tradition, and it definitely didn't come from government. It came from God himself. The one who joined Adam and Eve, the one who said that two shall become one flesh, one who gave us a blueprint for covenant.
The Power Is Now magazines are the leading resource for real estate agents, mortgage bankers, entrepreneurs, and small home ownership businesses, providing leaders with business strategy information, resources, and tools through PIN, real estate, programming guide magazines. Stay up to the minute with real estate news and information from industry experts. Subscription is free. Sign up today. thepowerisnow.com. thepowerisnow.com. Everyone knows the power of social media and the impact a strong online presence has in this day and age. But most real estate agents simply do not have the time to manage all the advertising and marketing details, and that's where the Power Is Now Media steps in. We are the answer you have been looking for. Let us help put your brand on the map. We will create customized graphics for weekly full-page ads, social media content, video, and podcast content for you. Sound complicated and expensive? It is affordable and easy. We have the best experts on the job. Go to thepowerisnow.com and find us under the VIP Agent tab to learn more. This is the future of real estate. Join today. thepowerisnow.com.